Now look at this baby. Turn my back 5 minutes. Hey, what you doing with that? Hey, what you doing with that? Hey my beauties, happy Saturday. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another vlog. It's Saturday and enjoy our day. It's beautiful outside. My car is filthy, so we need to go get my car washed. Just me and Layla gonna enjoy our day. A little would attend, but child, how you get in trouble when you only got 2 weeks left of school? I don't know. So honey, she will not be going anywhere today. She'll be attending church with us in the morning, but that's about it. So I'm gonna put this little scarf on and I'm wearing my little leopard slides. I've been into the little scarves lately. It's a cute little touch when your hair messed up. I cannot wait to take this hair out. She's supposed to be doing my hair, I think the 5th? I think June 5th. I gotta check my phone. I think on the 5th. But this is my outfit for today. I got this outfit from Fashion Nova. Honestly, I did not know the shirt was gonna be this short, but I went ahead and put my little sports bra on because we don't need no accidents. I kept my makeup really light. Didn't really feel like putting on makeup today. I'm not gonna put on any lashes. I'm just about to throw these sunglasses on and put on my little slides and call it a day. I need to probably clean these. Yeah, this is the fit for today. Very cute. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get Layla dressed. I don't know if I'm putting on a dress or a cute little shorts outfit. I don't know, but I need to glue my nail back on because honey, we getting these done sometime next week because it's time. Need a pedicure on. Y'all, when I tell y'all it is crazy and it is hot, y'all see I'm sweating? Like, it honestly makes me want to just go home. And there's so many people out. I just went to go get like a little undershirt for Aaliyah to wear under her dress tomorrow to church. It's like all this part showing. So I just got her like a little spaghetti strap. I don't even know if it's gonna look right or what, but I couldn't do it. I couldn't do them stores. So now I don't know what I want to do. We go to the museum. It's probably gonna be crazy over there. Layla, what you want to do? You want to go to the museum? Or you want some Chick-fil-A? Probably go get her some Chick-fil-A. Get her a little chicken nugget kids meal. Yeah, it's a pretty day. I don't really want to be like in the house because first of all, our Wi-Fi is not working. And so the people supposed to be coming tomorrow between 4 and 8 to fix it. So I ain't got no internet at home. Well, I guess we do because I got a hotspot on my phone, but I haven't connected to the TV, so we can't watch no TV or nothing. Lady, get out the way so I can go. Shit. I'm trying to get this parking spot. So we can't watch no TV or nothing, so yeah. I'm gonna go get her something to eat because I don't want that. I want us to probably sit down somewhere and eat. But I know wherever we go, it ain't gonna be something for her to eat, so. She like Chick-fil-A. She like the little nut. Look at her Chick-fil-A and her fries. Listen to Miss Rachel
We need
on my Bluetooth. So now I got him.
temperature.
Can I listen to some music, please?
Let's
I don't want to
jump
hear Miss
into
Rachel.
some really wet soil.
Layla.
That will be a great place to grow. Can you jump in?
Alright, y'all, we're back home. As y'all can see, I'm all greased up. Just got out of the shower. Layla took her bath. So we fresh and clean. I'm getting ready to cook because I literally didn't eat anything. I ate like a piece of leftover sandwich I had from Central Market the other day. But I went to Costco's and got me a rotisserie chicken. So that's the cheat code. When you make Alfredo and you don't feel like making the chicken from scratch and doing all that, go to Sam's or Costco's and get you a chicken I already made, rotisserie chicken. Just shred it up. We're going to do penny noodles. And I have this whole thing of spinach I haven't used yet, so adding spinach to it. And get y'all, do not use jar salts. It is so disgusting. And it's so easy to make. So just make it from scratch. Use heavy whipping cream and add you some Parmesan cheese. And this cheese is a little pricey. It was like $5 for this little bitty thing. I'm like, that went up. It used to be like $3 something. And that was still like, what? $5. But I think this was like $5. So get you some heavy whipping cream. This, add you a little seasoning. Chef's kiss. I promise you it's gonna be good. So I'm gonna turn on the oven. I'll make some Texas toast, and that's gonna be the meal. Then we can eat that tomorrow after we get out of church. And yeah, so we had a pretty good day. What all we did? Went to the car wash first. Then I went to go get a shirt. Then I went to go get Layla some Chick-fil-A. Then we went to the Children's Museum. Then we went to Costco's. And then we had to go to the regular grocery store to get this stuff. Then we came back home, took our baths, and now we're going to relax. It's about 5:30, I think, so I'm going to relax for the rest of the day. Oh, I smell so good. I sprayed some of Babe cologne. I think it's Dior or something. Smell amazing. Yeah, let's go ahead and cook because I'm starving. Hey, look at this baby. Turn my back 5 minutes. Hey, what you doing with that? Hey, what you doing with that? Give me that lotion. Where you get that lotion from? Get to mommy. Ain't no yay. Give it here. Get to mommy. Look at her. Give it here. Get to mommy. You don't play with this. This for your body when you get out the tub.
I said 5 in the morning, I wake up to 5 for my earnings. Fear in my mind is a warning. Pray to the one you're relying. I've been wandering all day, tried to be fine but I can't be. The noise in my mind wouldn't leave me. Tried to get by but I'm burning. I'm lying, my mind it runs. All these thoughts are troubling. Fighting to give up my pain, fighting to be on my lane. My mind running to the other side when it's time to leave my life. Then it try
Aaliyah up here washing her plate. Ooh, wait. How was it?
It was good.
You liked it?
Yeah.
I'm about to make me some. Yeah, this how it turned out, y'all. My chicken penne Alfredo. Yeah, I'm about to try it out. Mmm. Layla, you want to try it out? Come on. Sit over here. You want to try something, Layla? It's hot. Let me see. She probably ain't gonna try it. Gonna taste it? Tastes is good. Nope. Like, get that away from me. I'm about to eat this dinner. Little do she know, 8 o'clock on the dot, she would be going to bed because she did not have no nap today. She been up since 7:30 this morning. She closed her eyes for 2 seconds in the car. And when I tell you, was knocked out, mouth was open, she had drool on her mouth. Well, right after that, we went in the store, so she really didn't sleep. But she would be going to bed 8 o'clock. Just gotta get up early in the morning. I need to set my alarm. So it's pretty much gonna be all night, y'all. So I'll pick y'all up back in the morning. Y'all, I'm about to try these. I've been hearing people rave about these. That they so good. I don't know how you say that. Tillamook. I got the vanilla bean. It's a waffle cone ice cream sandwich. So yeah, get into it. Let's see what the hype is about. Oh, very little. Okay, so this is it's off balance. The ice cream is here. I'm sliding over. So it's basically a waffle cone, vanilla bean ice cream inside. It looked like it's some chocolate dipped on the inside. So let's see. Second bite. That's good. What would I compare it to? I really didn't know it had that chocolate in there. Guess I ain't paying attention. I'm not really a fan of chocolate. Yeah, just tastes like a waffle cone with vanilla ice cream. Nothing really special. Nothing I'll buy again, but it's straight.
Is the heart of a